Hey y'all, so what we're doing here today is we are installing another set of Rockslider onto this bad boy right here. What my son here is doing is he's preparing the side of the frame here. We're going to be welding it onto the frame. So the frame here is marked like this and marked like that. So that's what we're doing. I'll show you how it looks like on the other side. So this is how my son prepped it. And I'll show you the Rocksliders that I built for it. I have two pairs. This is for a 4th gen 4Runner, and this is for a 3rd gen 4Runner. This right here is that one right there. So the style is kind of different. This is a very, very simple style, and this one is the style here has a kick out. So that's the difference. So we're gonna install this bad boy into there. Okay guys, so this is what I did so far. You can see the slider is leveled to the underbelly there, or the rocker panel, and basically this is what I did. Tacked her on, tacked the legs on, and that's the kick out, and it sticks out a little bit more than the rear fender to pass any rocks, and especially if he wants to go up a little bit more on the tires, make it fatter, it'll just blend in nicely. So let's go over here. Same thing too. Rockslider comes out a little bit more if he decides to add thickness to the tire. It'll blend in nicely. Here as well, let's see, underneath, well, the rocker panel to the sliders, it blends in really nicely. And so far I got this thing tacked on as well. You can see the tack weld right there, and so forth. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start burning the sliders in, show you how it looks like after I burned the slider in. Okay, so she is done. So show you how I did this. You can see the paint is still drying. It's still very wet. And underneath, everything underneath. And let me see. She looks really nice. Let's go to the other side. So, same thing, painted, welded on, looks really nice. You see the paint drip, it's still wet, it's glistening because it's wet. So let's see how she looks. So as you can see, she's really close to the body. She's out about 1.5 inches there. But if you should make this wheel wider, it just fits right in. Love this truck. She's beautiful. Here is William. Beautiful, beautiful truck.